No mabia Ghana for 70 o mabia Christo for 70% no. Ele ko asa nkramofo na die so. Enti me shani di o kansa asomwe na me se papa
Mama akwaba wo frame me adwowa searching ebusuafo mesrew ene no first time I would ehwe me mesrew no wa subscribe me a notification bell no so for more news ebusuafo sofo kwasi awua eye sofo bia ohye nyamedwuma ase ache papa na oye sofo bia Ghanafo ebu no papa omutie na nsem na ode ensem bia betudwa afa eye Ghana sofo omde was wokoda wonder sumi so jimisa wo Ghana ha na ba omi pepeni ena onwini a minwu mo hye sorry dan ena metise kwasa nkom hye nko a sofo kwasi ewu ade nsem abetudwa wa masa sofo no reply na o kire se ba ku bi oye na danfo me de onim se na adwen wo fam sa konfa na danfo because ensem okeka no aso didi ono me nkwan yenti nsem asofo kwasi ewu ade atudwa
ya to na Ghanafo ara akramoni na sere Church Master Christopher Ghana 75%. What I say 70%. No mabia Ghana for 70. O mabia Christopher 70% no. Ele ko asa nkramofo na die so. Enti me shani di o kansa asomwe na me se so papa wa dwini pa dia. Ana me fo adamfo bi onye correct. Me me so Ghana for me no na ekohia. E ba sa me asensia. Na so wode religion ana abamu dia na ne sakramoni so ba to de ma Kristo dia ana na sakramoni wo jimi pao
aw ye hwempa se pe Kristo ni dia wana
o ja se ana mo trust ni wo Kristo dia wa ba dia ko na Ghana ha ebi mai wo nsuro ya Kristo ni ima ya Kristo ni o dia se aje kum ko fo ya Kristo ni Mama ya so onye Christiani asara no de no akotwitwi I am not against him or no I want so the Christiani but any Christiani no be okwa asore o
ndi atiase sa
any Christiani no be okwa asore Christiani no be oye de awrado ni nyam papa epe no wrade ho ho ya de abai ni mu etini mu
atiase be free
am panso o mo tumi trust It's me, yes, and she said the passing through for the churches. Well, say I didn't sit there. To me, just sitting on the know. Me first off, be Adam for. If you saw me, me we say Ghana and I quite can see you. If I told you, I say, maybe book your president, Mama, so I Ghana.
That's it.
And you're religious. If I told you, I say, you be a commander,
Ghana so.
Ghana soon will be.
Does it?
The person, the person,
No crepa.
a social one, I could trust your meeting against.
Na ebe wie no ano no asan expose no. Ozumba, don't play with the SKB. Don't joke with me. If you joke with me, I go massacre you. Don't play with me, oh. Me now the media grow. Me. Yeah. What the coffee dia grow? What the me SKA dia grow? Inti na wa gyan we say we boss video no. Abet na hwa kwa so ma wo. Wo na wo sin crofo pe wakun. Ana wo na wo si MPP fo pe so mu kun tutwen. Inti they say evidence be na wo pe. Na so obi trete live so be kun a court na so de ko. It is a MPP for attractive so mbekun ana omoda bibie de eche se de no muye na aye okum dia. The only thing you can do is say we don't go court. Just simple understand. Simple. Cause you don't go court. Name we need the say fa ujimi ko ono so kwa mami ngotie no ba akwa be kasimbu wa sisi Ozubemba asem na esre to the stand say watimi atwe nyankopon hata soro yanim atena ayi even say you can say na so dem wakoso editing video aw kwasi wusu na hwan na kire wo saa akwasi Why? Opo bi edin di agro. Ne ntimi anya nyansani bia wanya ba bia ade bia ntimi anya akogu hu anima se poto. Why na ma wo sa adwen? Why? Na enne no sa akwase so akwa gimi phone ntino. Ebedire me time pa wo se de me pese me ye wo ne no. Na before say manfo be hu say wo ye gimi phone na say bia wagimi no. Na eno me bra say because me nim da say wutimi kwotena se wa na wo see MPP for epi waku e ba ne say na fe wutimi sen kwotena se me san koye editing for what reason e be show say be ya obi a wo see MPP for na plan na MPP for obuo for MPP for say MPP for ayo madwen so mbeku ato atwene entinyame adom na sakwanya beda ho na apese wo ye hu bibi dia e de na betena se be yi video ma hu say de wo ka no evidence nie ana de wo ka no say na apese wo kire ana evidence no so wo be yi no ukoyi ya sa editing awdahusem kese pa okoyi a afa de editing ana waye oh shit editing bia uja faye no se wuhu a obesere ya adwonso ho editing mo sante hene editing mu pro mass editing mu pro mass se wo se ana okotena so dem wo ana waye konkron ana osi na dwam ana okasa ana wojimi ne ho na me se akwa ajimi ana otekunyanum no adendan ana MPP fu ese onim na se una onim na let me say no edi adia me ye no ana me na me ka ana me ye na frem opale into obeyi video ni mana soro ma no so no de ya na se owie na soro ma na bo musem pa yade ajimi fo pa yade ajimi fo mum akoko yi video nkwase video we abetena se be ka kire yen se wo no ade a waye no ye mehwe na mi di ka akoko yi ni video ayi no ne nsem na okeke kae no e ba mpa mo che mo mfa ncheme ana se me ni kan enye mamini kan enyi kwase ampani ni mi wie pe na me na soso if you say nsem ne do so pa na the way akwa we agimi no ye be kire ne say yes se wo so agimi a ye be kire wo say agimi sin atimi ahwe nyamie no makotena so dem akoye nkwase a editing we abetena se ka kire ne say me ba ma me ko ewo ha editing no ha Police officers who had been sent on official assignment to church. And so I was asking myself, why? What have I done? So if you recall, of Ghana. Now, for all these people who the former president, candidate of the New Patriotic Party, to become president of Ghana because of the insults. Now, you know what has happened? President, Vice President, I have friends who are also very good friends of the former Vice President. Opportunity where I can't say we I am using this opportunity, this platform, as an opportunity to say something for those friends to hear me clearly. And yes, sir. Also, Bampa, we are too no. And you for so much Sambra, and they are now not any beam. How? Look what comes at it. Oh, the video editing of a coffee tampon. Well, oh, show me a fast editing video. No, my I could come before I'm a TikTok. No, so. Yeah.
Those people in the past. Media mechanical crutch, my dear Modia, many dear. The mini penny. Me mum dear, not Pompire Tia, sir, sir, administration is not Pompire Tio, Musa. Me mam brothers are very said. Me mamma cousin Tiamu, free necro. Aha.
O se o me cousin Tiam pipi bium. Aha na yi no no.